machiegni nyinga Milton Ochieng. Jobisop ma kanisa ma kopere pachoka koro dwaro ni sirkal mondo ochop singo duto mane gichiwo ne jo-Kenya e kinde ma kampen motelo ne yiero maduong' ma higa mokadho. Kane gilose e boma ma Nakuru, ne gikwayo sirkal mondo obed gi twak ewi kaka inyalo duoko piny nengo mamalo mar ngima, ahinya gi ywago osuru mimede pachoka piny maru, gino makoro chido chuny johala gi dhi nyime gi tijegi.
Corruption in our society, both within the systems of leadership and among Kenyans, has been the most devastating sickness we continue to suffer from. Unfortunately, we don't seem resolved enough to truly and comprehensively rid ourselves of this great monster. We as church continue to call upon each Kenyan to commit himself or herself to eradicate this menace.
The state of education in Kenya is a cause for concern. One of the critical issues aggravating this situation is the discoordinated and abrupt changes of policies and directives in the entire system, all in specific areas of education. The most recent is the government's change in providing university subsidies, specifically through loans, such as the Higher Education Loans Board, HELB. These changes have created barriers for economically disadvantaged students, hindering their ability to access higher education.
We applaud all parties concerned for having heeded to the plea of Kenyans, religious leaders, and many other people of goodwill to come together and seek an amicable solution of their differences through dialogue in the ongoing bipartisan talks. This has given our country a lease of life and renewed hope for peaceful coexistence. Moreover, we believe that the spirit of dialogue can bring about greater progress in political, social stability and common purpose for the good of our nation.
Apisa magobila dhi nyime gi